Hello viewer, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech to Easy. Today we will going to learn about Power Portals. So in Power Portals we have used various tools for the deployment and for the code editor for if you want to change some customizations, if you want to compare some code. So we have some tools which we can use for deployment and for these tasks. Okay. So first tools which is famous for the dynamics in Dynamics 65 CRM also we use that tool, and in Power Portal also we can use that tool. So that tool is XRM Toolbox. So which guys already working on the Dynamics 65 CRM. So that also already know about these tools. So I have to know tell about that tool. So that tool is already familiar with that people which already working on Power Platform and Dynamics 65 CRM. Yeah. So let's start with the tools. So this is the tool which I am going to showcase you today. So this is the exam toolbox. So if someone new in this platform like in Power Platform and Dynamics Web CRM and that people want to learn, and so I will share the link for that same. You can check the description box. You will able to see that link for this tool. Okay. So indeed in these tools we have various type of tools, as you can see here tools. So right now I have a filter with portal. So these you can see these three portals tools which we can use for the portal, but we have various tools as well, but right now it's showing these three only just because we have added these three tools in my you can see in my current software. So if you want to use more tools you have to for that you have to download the tools, right? So as you can see we have an option tool library. So when you will click on this, so you will able to see various tools here. Okay. So which tool you want to download, you have to select and just click on install here. You can see install button. So using this, you can download the tools. Okay. So if you want to download the portals tool, so you just type here portal. You will able to see various tools which is related to the portal. So same thing you can do for the other, if you want to use some tool for the Dynamics 65 CRM. So for that also you can use various type of tools here. Okay, using XRM toolbox. So I'm going to tell you some tools about the which we can use for the XRM toolbox for the Power Portal deployment and other things. Okay. So before started, if you are new into our YouTube channel, so please subscribe to channel and please share with your friends. So let's start it. So this is the first tool which we can use in the under the exam toolbox. This is the for the portal site starting manager, you can see. So this tool we can use for the like if you want to change some settings in the portal. So if you want to change some settings, so you have to go through with the various navigation. I mean various steps you have to go through with for change the various type of settings. But using this tool, you can change with a single interface. As you can see, you can do the settings with a single interface. Okay, so this is a tool we can use, and second tool is portal configuration compare. So if you have multiple portals and if you want to compare your if you have two portals, like one is a test environment, one is the production environment. So if you want to compare between these two environment or two portals, so you can use this tool for the comparing the two portal configurations. Okay. So you can see here in the description also identities difference in portal configuration between two Dynamics 65 CRM instance. So easily you can compare to the Dynamics 65 instance using this tool. Okay. So now we will going to the another tool. So this is the third tool. This is a portal dependency checker. So using this tool you can check the portal dependency. We are using some dependencies, like if you have Dynamics 65 CRM and we are using that instance for the portal, and we can use we are using that instance for the portal and CRM also. So we can check dependency, like which tables are dependent on portal. So we can easily find using this tool portal dependency. You can see in the description also, check for the dependencies on CDS project liquid object with your portal configuration. So easily you can find. So another tool I am going to tell you about the Power Portal Web API helper. So this tool basically used for the creating the web API, or if you want to work on the web API part in the Dynamics 365 portal, sorry, Power Portal. So if you want to go through with this tool, Power Portal Web API Helper. So using this tool, you can usually enable and disable the entities for using. If you want to use some entities, like if you have account entities, contact entity, and if you want to use that entity as a API, like if you want to use that, to using that entity, if you want to some create some record, if you want to update some record using API, you use that, you want to use that entities as a uh, API calling. So you can use this tool, and using this tool you can easily enable the particular entity for the API calling. Okay, and as you can see, this is a attribute for the portal web API. So using this tool, you will able to see various type of options here, like you can enable the entities, you can attribute for the portal web API, generate code snip, like if you want to call some code for the API calling, so easily you can create some JavaScript code as well using this tool. Okay, and now I'm going to tell you about the portal code editor. So this is the next tool which I'm going to tell you about you. So this is a portal code editor. Like if you want to edit some code, so in the Power Portal we have some option, like you can go through the portal management, and directly you can edit some code there also. Okay, but using this tool you can easily edit some codes, and like if you want to add some code, if you want to update some existing code, and if you want to delete some code, so easily you can do here. Okay, and this is a last tool which I am going to tell you about, the Power Portal. So this is the portal configuration deployer. Like at the end, if we did some changes in the particular environment, if you want to deploy the changes in our production environment, yeah, if you want to update the changes, so using this tool you can use like portal configuration deployer. So this tool is using this tool you can easily deploy your changes on portal configuration, and you can easily use this tool for deploy your changes. And you can see in the description, you can see import Dynamics 365 portal entities. So that's all for today's video, and if you I think this video is helpful for you, so please like the video and please subscribe the channel, so you easily get notification, and please share with your friends as well if you find this video helpful, so they can also use. And if someone already working on Power Portal, so this video will helpful for us, that person as well. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.